Hello, I am Dr. Sharda Jagannath Bhadge, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany and Plant Protection, SGM College, Karad. Here from BSc Part 1st, Paper 1st, Unit number 3, Algae, we are going to discuss about the economic importance of the algae. First, algae are mainly occur on varied habitat. They were recorded in temperate, tropical as well as polar regions. Wherever there is moisture, they show their occurrence. There is symbiotic association of the algae with many plant groups like angiosperms and gymnosperms was also noted. In gymnosperms of cycas, for example cycas, in coralloid roots of that cycas, the blue-green algae is present and there is a symbiotic association of that algae which is beneficial for that plant. Another water fern, that is azolla, there is Anabaena azulei, which is symbiotic associated with that water fern and able to fix the atmospheric free nitrogen. Likewise, we are going to start with the other economic importance of these algae. First economic importance is algae used as a food. In this algae used as a food, first that is porphyra. This is a red algae which is rich in proteins, carbohydrate, vitamins as well as minerals, vitamin B and C rich in this algae. So this algae is used in many food preparations. The peoples from China and Taiwan were used this porphyra algae as a food in their daily meal. Next algae, that is a kombu, which is laminaria. This kombu or laminaria again rich in protein, carbohydrates and vitamin. It is again used in different food preparations. Next algae is Chondrus crispus. This is the brown algae which is extracted, then dried and used in many food preparations. It is again rich in proteins, carbohydrates and minerals. Next algae, that is chlorella. This is the green algae which is having lipids, proteins and carbohydrates in a rich amount. It is again used in many food preparations, especially the food used by these in space flights as well as in nuclear submarines. Next algae, that is ulva. This algae is used as a salad. Next, that is Gelidium and Gracilaria. Mostly agar-agar is prepared or extracted from this Gracilaria and Gelidium. For preparation of ice creams and jelly, for super smoothness, this Gelidium and Gracilaria green algae were used. Next use of this algae as in industries. In many preparations of pharmaceutical preparation, cosmetic preparation, some of the algae were used. First algae, that is Gracilaria and Gelidium, which is used for preparation of the agar. Agar-agar is extracted from this Gelidium and Gracilaria. This is used in cosmetics and pharmaceutical industries as well as it is used in preparation of cheese, puddings, ice creams as well as used in some preservatives for preservation of the fish and meat. It is also used in preparation of ointments and lotions and it is the main ingredients of some culture media. for taking the growth of some of the microorganisms for preparation of the culture media like PDA, CDA. This is the main ingredients of the culture media. Second algal use as an industry is that is carrageenan. This carrageenan can be extracted from the cell wall of the marine algae. This is used in a stabilizer, in paints as well as in cosmetics preparation. It is again used in clearing agent in sugar industries as well as in alcohol industries. It is also used in textile industry, leather industry and brewing industries. Next industrial use, that is alginic acids. This alginic acid can be extracted from some of the seaweeds like laminaria and fucus. This alginic acid is used as a thickener in paint as well as polish, and it is again used for thickening of soup and ice creams. It is having the fireproof activity so that it is used in making the fireproof cloths, as well as it is used as an adhesive for binding the wood panels. Next industrial use is diatomite. The name itself indicates that this is the fossil deposits of the diatoms which get aggregated at the bottom of the sea. This is used as a filter in oil industry as well as by the chemical industries. It is having the heat resistant capacities so that it is used as an insulating medium by in the boilers as well as in the blast furnaces. It is used in making the car polishes, silver polishes as well as toothpaste making as well as in the paint industries. Next industrial use, that is cattle feed. The algae like Sargassum, fucus, laminaria. These algae are rich in minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, so that these are used as a cattle feed. These are some of the industrial uses of this algae. Next use of the algae as a source of minerals. These seaweeds or green algae, red algae, brown algae, these are rich in sodium, potassium, iodine as well as arginate, zinc, cobalt and boron. These are used in extraction of the iodine as well as these are used in making of some soap, alum, etc. Next use of this algae as a biofertilizer. This is the major use of this algae, especially blue-green algae. For example, Tolypothrics, Oscillatoria, Anabina. These are the blue-green algae and these are mainly used in preparation of some fertilizers. These blue-green algae, these are known as blue-green algae because they contain the pigments, bluish-green colored pigments, that is phycocyanin and phycoerythrin, which gives bluish-green color to this algae. These algae are in the cells of these algae are in monody form like this, but some cells are larger in size like this, and this is the main site of fixation of atmospheric free nitrogen and it is called as heterosis. these filaments, thousands of filaments get embedded in a single colony like this, which is covered by the mucilaginous sheath, and the largest cell called as a heterocyst, which is the main region of fixation of atmospheric free nitrogen. These blue-green algae especially found in the paddy fields. There is symbiotic association of these blue-green algae with the paddy field noted worldwide, because these paddy fields provide all the necessary ecological conditions which are responsible for luxuriant growth of these blue-green algae in paddy. And instead of this blue-green algae fixes atmospheric free nitrogen and convert it into organic forms like nitrate and ammonia. Then next use of these algae as antibiotics and medicines. First algae, that is chlorella. Chlorella, this algae is used for extraction of chlorella. Chlorella is extracted from this chlorella, and this is having the antibiotic activity. This can resist the growth or restrict the growth of the harmful bacteria in the water reservoirs. So it is used as an antibiotic in water reservoir to control the harmful growth of some of the bacteria. Next algae, that is Chara. This Chara is having larvicidal property. This can control the larvae in the water reservoirs. So this is called as larvicidal properties, and this is used to control the larvae in the water reservoirs. Next use of these algae in treatment of kidney as well as lung and urinary bladder, as well as some of the algae are used in goiter treatment. As we know that sargassum, that is the brown algae which is rich in iodine, that is used in treatment of goiter, as well as these algae contain many vitamins B, C, or it is rich in vitamins. So these algae are used in preparation of the tonics. Next use of this algae in sewage disposal. The algae like chlorella, chlamydomonas and euglena. These algae carried out for oxidative breakdown of the sewage. That is, oxygen evolved by this chlorella, chlamydomonas and euglena. It is utilized by some of the bacteria and which produces or which break down the sewage. So these are called as oxidative. So these are used as oxidative breakdown of the sewage. Next and main important use of this algae in a research experiment. Some of the algae like Acetabularia, these algae were used in a cytological experiment as well as a genetic experiment, as well as another algae, that is chlorella. This algae trace the path of the carbon in the photosynthesis. In this way, we have learned some economic importance of the algae. First and main important use of the algae as a food. Some of the algae like Porphyra, kombu, that is laminaria, Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, Ulva, Gelidium, Gracilaria. These algae were used in preparation of some of the food. Gracilaria gelidium used as a thickening agent or for super smoothness. These are used in preparation of jellies as well as in preparation of the ice cream. These algae were rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates. So that these are again used as a cattle feed. Some of the algae like diatomite, that is diatoms. The cell wall of this diatom is heat resistant, so that it is used in blast furnace as an insulator, as well as alginic acid, which is extracted from cell wall of the some of the algae, so that it is used in thickening agent in some of the preparation of printing ink, as well as polish, soup preparation, as well as ice cream preparation. For preparation of the fire cloths, these are the alginic acid is used. Then carrageenan, which is prepared or extracted from cell wall of this algae, which is used as a stabilizer in paint as well as cosmetic products. It is used in clearing agent in alcohol production or in sugar industries. Then some of the algae are used as source of minerals, as it is rich in sodium, potassium, iodine, as well as alginic acid, then zinc, cobalt and boron. So that some of the algae were used in extraction of the iodine, as well as some of the algae were used in preparation of soap and alum formation. Some of the medicinal importances or preparation of the antibiotics were used by were extracted by using some of the algae like chlorella, that is used by chlorella, that is having antibiotic activity, which restrict the growth of the some of the bacteria which are harmful in a reservoir. The Cara, which is having larvicidal properties, it is again used to control the larvae in water treatment or polluted water. Some of the algae are used in treatment of kidney, lung, urinary bladders, as well as the sargassum like algae, which is rich in protein, or it is rich in iodine, so that it is used in a treatment of the goiter, as well as some of the algae contain many minerals, so that it is used in preparation of some of the tonics. Then in sewage disposal, Chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Euglena, these algae were used for oxidative breakdown of the sewage. The oxygen evolved by these algae were utilized by these bacteria, and which are these bacteria break down the sewage. And last use is in the research experiment. The Acetabularia algae is used for cytological experiment as well as in the genetics experiment, and the Chlorella, which is used to trace the path of the carbon in photosynthesis. In this way, we have learned some economic importance of the algae. Thank you.